fate map of frog. In this class, I am going to discuss the processes in the formation of fate map of frog. First position is invagination, which starts at the prospective blastopore. Here it is the egg and the blastocele. This is the blastocele and this is the blastopore. In the next position, it becomes like this and the blastopore deepens. Further, it goes and looks like this. Here, the blastopore deepens more and this gets obliterated. This is the animal pole and this is the vegetal pole. And this is the dorsal lip and this is the ventral lip. Now the second position here, involution starts. In involution, this of pharyngeal endoderm and chordal mesoderm are formed. In this picture, you can see the notochord, the position of precaudal and the pharyngeal endoderm. Okay. Then this picture shows that it is involution and after invagination. In this picture, we can see the neural ectoderm, the tail portion, the notochord, the precaudal and the pharyngeal endoderm. Here the movements are shown how the cells move. Now here the cells are seen with a mature positions. This is the anterior side, this is the posterior side, this is the neural ectoderm, this is the tail portion, this is the notochord and this is the precaudal. Okay, this is the pharyngeal endoderm, and in this picture you can see the whole things in the egg. Okay, this is the lateral and somatic mesoderm here, mesoderm which comes inside from the sides, that is the lateral lips. Okay, now the further yolk plug is formed. Okay, now this is the posterior. In further cells, in the final stage, this becomes like this and this becomes the neural ectoderm and this is the archenteron, this is the somatic lateral mesoderm. Okay, this is the posterior side and this becomes the anterior side. Now the third point is epiboly of prospective ectoderm and lastly the closing of blastopore. Okay,